Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Google account from phone. So if at the end of this you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove Google account from phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on Google. Once you click on that, then go ahead and click on your current Google account. Then you should see all the Google accounts you have on your phone. Now, to remove any of the Google accounts you have on your phone, all you need to do is click on Manage Accounts on this device. And then you should see all the accounts. Now, to remove any of these accounts, click on the account you want to remove. Then you should see further says Remove Account, click on that. Now, from the pop-up, go ahead and click on Remove under Remove Account. And this will remove the Google account from your phone. And that's it. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.